What's up YouTube? Hello and welcome back to IT Master Tech News channel. If you remember, I got the OnePlus 8T from China and they sent me the wrong color, which was the silver, and I wanted the green color, which is not frosted back. And also that one was not brand new, it was refurbished. They didn't mention it, so I managed to send them back, get my money, and I got it brand new from OnePlus website directly. And it's as there was no unlocked version, I got OnePlus 8T T-Mobile version. But this is actually I managed to contact T-Mobile and ask them to unlock, which we'll look through together, and I will explain everyone who wants to have OnePlus 8T in 2022, 12 gig RAM and 256, the highest version. As you know, the T-Mobile version has the IP68 rating, water resistant. Also it called OnePlus 8T plus 5G. So let's get started. We will unbox it together and I will work through with you and to show you how to unlock permanently from T-Mobile. If you get it for full price, which is $349 for the moment, and I will explain how to contact T-Mobile representative so they will not deny your request and they help you to get the exception and get unlock. Let's get started. As you can see, this is directly shipped from the OnePlus 8T store. We are now opening it together. So it is brand new. Okay, here is the OnePlus official paperwork, support address, never settle, and this is the invoice. As you can see, description is blue. I don't know why it's blue, but actually it is green color. So 12 gigabyte RAM and 256 ROM, and this model is KB2007, which is the actually made for T-Mobile US. So we are getting the 8T box, very high quality, and you'll see it says OnePlus 8T plus 5G. And this is especially designed for, as I explained you before, this is designed for T-Mobile. And this is all description what is inside: Dolby Atmos, Bluetooth, Android, Qualcomm Snapdragon. We will now move on and get it unboxed. We will turn on and do the permanent unlock as they explained me. Let's move on and open it here. As usual, very high quality packaging for OnePlus 8T. We get it paperwork here, T-Mobile card, never settle stickers, cancellation return policy, never settle booklet, OnePlus 8T 5G start guide, all in English. And here is the T-Mobile card, which is I will not activate because now I am not in the US and I don't need this T-Mobile SIM. My purpose is to unlock and use it in my country. Okay, let's move on to see what else. So as you see now, the color I wanted, it is here, it's a green color. We have the USB Type-C to see very high quality cable here, and we have a power brick, which is the power supply unit with US warp charge 65 watt and Type-C. This charger also can charge your other devices such as the MacBooks, other notepads, because this is very powerful charger. So let's leave it here. And if you know the US version, T-Mobile version doesn't have that silicone case which is coming with the unlocked versions. And let's move on and remove the phone from packaging and to see the color in all glory. Yeah, this is the color I wanted. This has the back side is Corning Gorilla Glass 5 as the front side. We will remove the sticker soon. Here is the Type-C stereo speakers, and this one has the single SIM. T-Mobile version has the single SIM, and here is the another speakerphone, so it has the actually stereo sound. This is the OnePlus rocker for silent, vibrate, and the volume, which I really like this feature. Power button and volume rocker. Let's turn on and see if it has some juice on it. I don't think it has, because this is a old stock and this is already 1 year, so I need to get some charge. I will be back soon, very quick. So we are back. I just put some power on the phone so we can follow the procedures and unlock the device. Also, I should tell you that the T-Mobile version doesn't come with pre-installed any screen protector. It's just the Gorilla Glass 5 and that's it. So let's turn on the phone and then follow the guidance provided by T-Mobile staff. As you can see, this is the T-Mobile version with the T-Mobile logo during the boot. And what is need to done here? After selecting the language, which is US for in my case, agree terms and conditions, agree, connect to mobile network. We are not connecting for the moment because this device is locked to T-Mobile, and connect to Wi-Fi. Let me connect it real quick. Connecting, so it will connect to Wi-Fi because we need this to be able to permanently unlock from the T-Mobile. Let's wait for this part, installing updates. So the Google services, as you can see, it's a glory, very beautiful screen, so no sheen, it's a maximum full bezel screen. Copy data. For the moment we are not copying any data, and we are moving on to get this device unlocked, and after that we will go to and install convert the KB 2007 to global version KB 2005, which is the US version. We just remove this, accept, okay, and then let's see what's going on. Getting your phone ready, and here we will go and do it very first time. As you saw, guys, I just opened the package, and this is never connected to any network, and T-Mobile representatives are explained to me that I can permanently unlock. It took 3 days. They come back to me and via Facebook Messenger, and they said that it's ready to be unlocked. Let's try it. So skip this one. We don't need the screen lock for the moment. Use this font, navigation gestures, so it will show us how to swipe back. Well done. Home, well done. And recent, well done. So setup complete. This is, we don't need the T-Mobile services, and this is the nice device for the moment, is doing his procedures. So as you can see, it's T-Mobile version. And from now on, what we need to do, once you get your AT from OnePlus store directly, you should go to Messenger or Twitter, contact two T-Mobile representatives, explain them that you get it with full price, and then they will ask for the email. You provide them IMEI number, and then they will come back to you saying that you are eligible for the unlock. After that, you need to come here, go to settings, Wi-Fi network, SIM network, and then network unlock. So here your device is network locked at this time, which prevents from operating with other company wireless. Unlocking clear, please continue. Connecting to server. So permanent unlock. You see, if you are eligible, you will get these two options. And we would like to click permanent unlock and wait for the device to connect server, and we will get a successful message if all this T-Mobile stuff did it for me correctly. Unlock approved. To apply this setting, you must restart your device. So click restart now, and this device is no more T-Mobile locked. So the guys support team, thank you for all they helped me. And it has still the T-Mobile logo because it has still T-Mobile software on it. But as we want, I will show you carrier location access because it came to manage permission, and we will put the allow while using app. I will put the SIM card now, and we will see that this device is permanently unlocked and no more T-Mobile locked device, and I can use it worldwide with any SIM operator. Moving forward, I just bring my local SIM card. We will open the SIM tray, and this one is coming with single SIM. As you can see, backside is blacked, so there is no two SIMs, so we use only one SIM, even though after flashing this device can support two SIM cards if you buy a two SIM tray separately, but I'm not a fan of two SIM devices, so let's put the local card and see if we are getting any network. So it seems the network sign is showing up. Still no network. And let's see. Still no network. Emergency calls only. It has a name of the network that. Okay, now it's registering. Let's see what's going on. Processing requests. Ucom. Let's see if we can make any call. Okay, let's call to the service.
Welcome to Ucom. For Unity tariff plans, press 1. For new offers, press 2.
So it seems we successfully unlocked our phone, and it shows that there is no wireless internet, but it is unlocked. And as you can see, I put the local SIM card, And this is it, guys. Stay well, stay cool, guys. Peace. See you in the next one.